Hi, this is Ron Nutter and welcome to another edition of Tech Bites with Ron Nutter product reviews. This time we're going to be looking at the Farberware Essentials kitchen setup. And this is something that initially I might not have bought this. I had to replace several kitchen utensils. So what I ended up doing is getting the starter kit from Farberware. It's an old line name. It's well worth taking a look at this one because you've got a whole set of kitchen knives, you've got much heavier blades to do things such as chopping up vegetables, and it comes with 3 different spatulas, a set of measuring spoons, but the handles on these are pretty substantial. And this is the chopping blade, or what I call the chopping blade. So that's very substantial. What you need to be aware of is when you go to wash this, don't just let them sit in the dishwasher. In fact, you're encouraged to hand dry them. So this gets you started. You've got a pair of scissors to use for when you have to get into, I think the only time I've ever used them has been like on cutting up some chicken bones, or if you've got some gristle on meat that's just not playing nice. But you've got some rather, there's a heavier serrated blade there. You've got, there's paring knife. So there's quite a bit to be offered by this set, especially if you're setting up a kitchen for the first time, or you are doing some upgrades, or just outright replacing things because they've seen better days. This is going to be something, especially with the Farberware name to it, it's going to be well worth taking a look at, and I think you'll be very pleased with it because I know it's done the job for me without any question.